Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Common University Entrance Test UTPG 2025. And in this video, information regarding Common University Entrance Test UTPG 2025, Hospital Management, COQP 22. Syllabus will be discussed. Syllabus for Master in Hospital Administration, MHA, MBA Healthcare and Hospital Management. So syllabus for hospital management will be given in this video, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Hospital Administration, MBA Healthcare and Hospital Management, Master of Public Health for various universities like Christian Medical College Vellore, JEMS PG, SGPGI Lucknow, King George Medical College Lucknow, Lucknow University, Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar Common University Entrance Test UTPG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, Pune University, Lucknow University, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, JIPMER, Puducherry, Nimhans, Bangalore, IIPH, Pune University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Hospital Administration, Master of Public Health and other competitive exams. And for this, if a student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So registration for CUTPG 2025 has been started, and important dates regarding this is registration got started for CUTPG 2025 from 2nd January. So registration dates are from 2nd January to 1st February 2025. And last date of successful transaction of fee through credit, debit card, net banking, UPI, 2nd of February 2025 up to 11:50 p.m. And examination dates are between 13 March 2025 and 31st March 2025. So entrance exam will be between 13th of March 2025 and 31st March 2025. So in March 2025, entrance exam will be held for CUTPG. Now I will give you information regarding syllabus for hospital management COQP 22. Hospital management COQP 22. This is the pattern. The question paper will have 75 questions. So there will be 75 questions. All questions will be based on subject specific knowledge. All questions are compulsory. All questions will be bilingual, English or Hindi. Hospital management COQP 22. This is the syllabus. First is health and disease concepts. So in health and disease concept, topics will be various dimensions and determinants of health, measures and indicators of health and related issues, national history of disease and sciences, primary health care services, hospital and its role in health and disease. So these all topics will come in health and disease concept. So second point is environment and health. Environment and health topics will be effect of various factors like water, air, light, ventilation, noise, meteorological environment, humidity, housing, disposal of waste, excreta, disposal on health and well-being, basic concepts of biological, medical, entomology and insecticides, rodents and related disease, radiation and zoonosis on public health and health administration. Third point is medicine and social science. In medicine and social science, topics will be understanding the concepts in sociology of health, psychology and health, social psychology, family in health and disease in understanding health, cultural factors in health and disease, hospital sociology, social problems and health, basic health economics, social security and health of population. Fourth is hospital waste management. In hospital waste management, topics will be basic understanding of sources of health care waste, waste hazards, method of treatment and biomedical waste management for healthcare administration. Fifth is basic epidemiology and population health. In basic epidemiology and population health, topics will be understanding population health and epidemiology, rates, ratios and measurement of morbidity and mortality of health and related parameters, basic statistics of association and causation in biological sciences, concepts of disease transmission, immunity and immunizing agent, basic understanding of disease prevention and control in India. Next is basic understanding of biological sciences and life sciences. In basic understanding of biological sciences and life sciences, topics will be recent development in cell biology, genetics, pharmaceutical sciences, health and healthcare information technology, nutrition sciences, diagnostics, biotechnology, vaccine development and sanitation. Next is general awareness on healthcare. General awareness on healthcare, topics will be current happenings of healthcare and life sciences sector, population health, epidemiology, basic public health and programs of India, basic physiology and anatomy of human body, society and health, understanding hospital management, understanding of World Health Organization and other bodies of international health, basic issues and challenges of healthcare business verticals such as pharmaceuticals, healthcare information technology, healthcare entrepreneurship and hospital management, understanding of national health programs. Next is introduction to hospitals. In introduction to hospitals, topics will be types of hospitals, health system in India, sub-center, PSC, CSC, first referral units, district hospitals, corporate hospitals and charitable trust hospitals. Next is department in hospitals. In department and hospital, topics will be clinical department in hospitals, basic specialization, general medicine, surgery, ODG, pediatrics, anesthesia, super specialization and sub specialization in hospitals, cardiology, urology, neurology, etc. Next is supportive services in hospitals. In supportive services in hospital, topics will be CSC, SSD, pharmacy, linen and laundry, food and beverages, dietary services in hospitals. Next is engineering services. So in engineering services, topics will be heating, ventilation and air conditioning, civil, electrical, water supply. Next is hospital management fundamentals. In hospital management fundamentals, topics are process of management, principles of management, accounting and costing in hospitals. Next is materials and equipment in hospitals. In materials and equipment in hospitals, topics are classification of equipments, diagnostic and therapeutic equipment, X-ray, CT, MRI, PET, CT, cath lab, dialysis, OT, equipments, purchasing and store. Next is infection control and biomedical waste management. In infection control and biomedical waste management, topics are nosocomial infection and their prevention, biomedical waste rules and regulations. Next is legal aspects, laws pertaining to hospitals, hospital and healthcare. So in legal aspects, laws pertaining to hospital and healthcare, topics are Consumer Protection Act, PCP, NDT Act, Human Organ Transplantation Committees in the hospitals, ICC Committee, Infection Control Committee, Ethical Issues in Hospitals. Next is management concepts in the hospitals. Management concepts in the hospital, topics are human resource management, doctor, nurses, paramedics, recruitment, selection, training, motivation, finance management, budget, marketing of hospital services. Next is disaster preparedness and hospital management. So in disaster preparedness and hospital management, topics are types of disasters, disaster management team, various codes used during disasters. So in this video, information regarding Common University Entrance Test CUET PG 2025, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, MBA Healthcare and Hospital Management, entrance exam pattern and syllabus has been discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, entrance exams like CUT PG, CMC Bangalore, JEE Mains PG, SGPGI, King George Medical College, Guru Nanak Dev University, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, Pune University, RUHS Jaipur, JIPMER Nimhans, and for all other university and institutes which conduct public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.